Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News, where we trade different. Today is November the 21st, 2020. You all can see, if you've been an avid watcher of the cryptocurrency space, all cryptocurrencies are going higher right now, every last one of them. So you cannot pinpoint the market excitement of these currencies going higher in price to one thing. Okay, the only thing that plays into all cryptocurrencies going higher in price at the same time is because the trap controls the market. Now, before I get into the trap and before I get into our analysis for TRON, make sure if you guys appreciate our content, you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, because it's our purpose and premise to make sure we get in position to capitalize on these type of price movements, to capitalize on what the trap is anticipated to do before even he actually takes the market there. This is what we're all about. So make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. You can join us on our website, HueFinancial.com as well. Or if you're on the Gram, Facebook, Twitter, we have a presence there as well too. So all you have to do is just hit the link in the description of this video to make sure you are staying in contact with us. Now, it's been a while since we did our video in TRON, and you guys can see our expectations into the market for TRON was for the trap to continue to increase the price of TRON. Now, initially, look at how long it took for that to happen. Okay. Now, it was October the 27th of when we did our last video in TRON, which is right here. We expected him to continue to move the market higher in price. And here we are almost a month in, and the market in TRON finally came up towards our ultimate restriction area of 3 cents. Now, one thing I really wanted to talk about and pinpoint to you is that right here on this particular day, let me zoom in and show you right here, November the 3rd. What did the trap do to let us know that he's going to continue to increase the value of this market? What did he do? Let me zoom out now. You see that? He came and bounced the market on our ascending line. So what does that mean? Don't let nobody else confuse you. All that simply means is that this trend that TRON is in, it is still in play. Okay. So the long-term view of TRON is still one of higher price. Nothing else around it. Okay. This market trend is still in play in TRON. And it's a very strong trend because the further in time you go out, you all can see how the market is still trending alongside it. And it's going to take about, I would say, this much volume that came in on this 5-day bar, March the 11th, 2020, or even this particular volume that came in on the 2nd of September. It's going to take that much volume to actually break that trend. Okay. So we now know what is the long-term outlook for TRON right now. Okay, you guys can see it here. Now, the only thing that we need to address is, okay, where will the market find sellers? Where will they appear? Are they going to appear here where we're at now at 3 cents? Or can we inch up a little bit higher into the market and see some sellers around 3.5, 4 cents? Where will the sellers be? That is the question that we all need to find answers to, because that's where the brakes are going to be pumped. That is where the movement higher in TRON is going to be stopped. Okay. So let's talk about this real quick. You guys can see the market came today and finally came and tagged out at our ultimate restriction area of about 10.95%. Okay. So that's done. We could get rid of it. So let's go ahead and take that away. And you all can see right here that the trend is still in play. The only problem is on the near term, we will see some more sellers coming to the market in TRON right here at 3 cents. So we need to adjust and pinpoint where support into the market in TRON needs to be. And right now it is here, 0.028. Okay. So this is our support area going forward into the market in TRON. 0.028. So obviously we have seen some agreement in between the trap and everyone else who participates in this market that they're anticipating to continue to see some higher price. Okay. Now 0.028 is where the market needs to hold support. I won't be surprised to see it dip just a little bit lower than that. So we're going to place that into consideration as well. All right. Now, here we are. How high will the market go in TRON? 0.031, 0.032. Where do you see the market headed? We will TP the market right here in TRON again at 3 cents from where we are seeing the market trade at right now. Literally, because that area is the closest area to which sellers are present. Okay. But we're going to top the market out right here at about 0.032. All right. And that's it. This is our expectations. We have an idea what the long-term view is in TRON. The market over the last couple of days has came into agreement alongside many other altcoins in this space that the demand is still here. So we're going to continue to go with the forecast of the trap, trying to continue to increase the value of this market. TP 3 cents again, because we know already that previously the market in TRON could not break that price above it. So we will see some down days. The market will go lower, trying to overcome 3 cents. And that is the opportunity to which we can sit and see how the trap reacts to the selling. Period. And if we continually see him trying to prop up the market right around 3 cents, we know that the market is going to continue to go higher price. That easy and that simple. So now it's your turn. What do you all see in the market for TRON? Will this particular market continue to go higher in price, or will we see him lower the value because it could not break price above 3 cents? Those are the questions I am posing to you right now. What do you see? What is your prediction? What's your forecast? Because either way it go, it doesn't matter what anyone else thinks. It depends on what you're going to pull the trigger on and when you're going to come into the market and when you're going to exit out the market. So tell me, what do you think? Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.